One ticket, please.
That'll be that much. Here's your ticket.
Thank you. Seat K12.
Oh, cut!
Where's the seats?
Have you ever been watching your child, relative, or friend's performance, and you try and focus, but all you can think about is how uncomfortable that chair is?
We want the best experience for everyone who comes to our theater, but let's just say our seats are falling apart. There's rips, the armrests are coming off, and that's just the beginning.
These seats have been in this theater since the 80s. My parents sat in these chairs when they were in high school.
Safe to say, we need some new seats. We've had these bad boys for 45 years, and they're falling apart on us. Now, it hurts all of us here at the Bowness theater community just looking at these, both physically and emotionally.
We need to raise money, so we ask you for any donation you can spare to help support our community.
Go to educationmatters.ca and click on Bowness High School Theater to donate. And from all of us here at Bowness,
Thank you!